Okay, so let's get into this. The crypto market is crashing right now. It's down dramatically north of 8+%. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why it is down and what is going on. Thank you for your support of the ClearCryptos channel. My name is Austin Hilton. I also have my own channel here on YouTube. I create content, but I also support Clear because I support the vision of what ClearCryptos is setting out to do. It's just to educate, inform, and keep you aware of breaking news. So that's why I'm making this video for you. So let's do this. So if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button and definitely drop a comment below, drop a like. Also, if you want to get involved with Clear, there's links in the description below to get to check out their Discord channel, which is where I recommend you go. So the overall crypto market right now, as of recording this video, is down 8+%. Bitcoin dropping dramatically, Bitcoin dropping below that $23,000 level, which quite frankly was a pretty significant support level. And I think we're going to continue to fall from where we're at right now, even lower. Ethereum faring basically the same, dropping down below 1,700 as well. Okay, so here's why crypto is crashing right here. Why is the crypto market crashing today? Here's what's happening. So the FOMC had a meeting on Wednesday, and the meeting notes have come out, and this is the fallout from that meeting. Now, this meeting on Wednesday of the FOMC was not to raise rates. It was basically a policymaker meeting looking at kind of the state of the union. Remember, we got the CPI inflation data report on August 10th, and that actually showed some good news, or what was perceived as good news. We were expecting 8.7%. We got 8.5. We actually had a 2 or 3 day pretty significant crypto rally coming out of that. Okay. Now, also, I'm going to remind you that Chairman Powell, the chairman of the Fed himself, at the end of the July meeting where they raised the rates, said, and I'm basically paraphrasing here, that it looks like we're through the worst of the inflation and it's getting better. Now we're getting conflicting information. And what the crypto market and stock market and financial markets hate is conflicting information, or said a different way, uncertainty. Okay, that's what's going on. So that's why you're seeing the fallout of these meeting notes. In 24 hours, north of 550, probably almost $600 million in cryptos have been liquidated. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and everything else falling dramatically. Okay, so here's what happened right here. Okay. The policymakers who attended this meeting on Wednesday, and these are the meeting notes. The meeting notes are basically just notes of the meeting, what was said, right? So the makers that attended the meeting have agreed that inflation rates, the inflation rate hikes that they've done year to date in 2022, they're seeing that they have not basically worked despite their previous attempts to tame inflation. That's what they're saying. And this is a quote from the meeting notes. Quote, participants agreed that there was little evidence to date that inflation pressures were subsiding. End quote. That's it. That's what's going on. And so you're basically seeing here the fallout of, we thought, per Chairman Powell and all these other scenarios, that, hey, we're through the worst of it. Now we're getting conflicting information. Now, per this policymaker FOMC meeting, it's looking like it's not as good. Therein lies the uncertainty why crypto is crashing today, why it's going down. We're probably most likely going to see continued fallout from this as well. So don't be really surprised. Okay. Some few final thoughts here is that the Fed is meeting on September 20th and 21st, a month from now, to officially raise the rates. And here's the concern. I think everybody was expecting, per Chairman Powell's comments at the end of the July meeting, and plus the CPI data report that we got on August 10th, I think everybody was expecting that, hey, they're probably going to maybe raise the base interest rate 50 basis points. They might back off of it a little bit. I don't think that's the case anymore. I think we're looking at least at another 75 basis point raise coming in the September Fed meeting raise, or maybe even 100 basis points, because again, it looks like we're getting more of a, I guess, better picture or continued evolution of the picture of what's going on with inflation. And inflation is the centerpiece around why crypto is struggling and has struggled this whole year, why, frankly, the stock market's struggling. It's inflation, because at the end of the day, if you don't get it, or you're like, why does it matter? Here's what it means. Inflation just means that everything in our life costs more, right? It costs more to fill up your car, your truck. It costs more to go to the gas station. Excuse me, go to the grocery store. It costs more just to live your life. And if you have less money, number one, you tend to be more like, okay, I'm going to hold on to my money because I'm afraid of what may come tomorrow. Number one. Number two, you're fearful. You don't want to give up that money. And so all of this rampant uncertainty and frankly, conflicting information we have around what's going on with inflation and the government's attempt to, to tame it, it's just creating this massive amount of uncertainty. That's what I have for you right here now. As always, thank you for your support of the Clear Cryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button below. Definitely drop a like on this video. There are other amazing content creators here on creating content for you as well for the Clear Cryptos channel. And if you want to get involved and check out what Clear Cryptos is going to be, which is going to be a revolutionary crypto project that is going to aim to help everything from helping more and more people get into crypto, making crypto safer. I mean, just the list goes on and on and on. There's links in the below. Get involved with their Discord, and that's where all of the good stuff is happening. Take care. I will see you. Bye.